Hi there, I'm Sophia Francisco, real estate agent from Immersive View. Come and I'll tour you the Airbnb here at Satori Residences. So now we are here at room 1016. So upon entering, here is the view of the unit. There's a whole mirror shot, so you can check your OOTD, and here is a lounge area, chairs and tables, so you can just relax at first and just enjoy the vibes. Upon entering, here is the kitchen. In the kitchen, there are complete set of utensils such as glasses, plates, spoon, fork. Of course, there's a exhaust fan and an oven so that you have a convenience time here at this Airbnb at hindi kakalat yung amoy kapag nagluto kayo. Then, walk here. Again, this is the sala. Nice TV, large TV, a comfy sofa. One here is a balcony. So, in the balcony, of course, you can have a view, the whole view of the Satori Residences, Santolan. And if you will ever visit here, there is a convenient and easy travel. Just take a tricycle or the LRT. You can find Satori Residences easily. So here is the CR. There's a small CR, but upon entering, there's a vanity mirror. You can check yourself. And then a shower. Just rotating it so you can have a grasp of what it looks like. Okay, so we will now go to different rooms. So, fun fact, this area can accommodate up to 12 people. So, perfect for your family, friends, getaways, and staycations. Okay, so this room is perfect for teens, girly teens. It's a nice pink bedroom with minimal design and aesthetically pleasing area. Okay, this is the second room for boys or for other generations like Gen Zs, because it is a double deck. So it can accommodate at least 4 people. There's a aircon, a vanity again. You can check your OOTD, your whole OOTD, and have a pictures and just really enjoy your night or your day here. It's a view. Very nice, right? Then last room is we have the master's bedroom. So in the master's bedroom, of course, there's a large space, and as you can see, really a very nice view again of the balcony. There's a building there, some roofs, a very nice view where you can relax and feel the warm, fresh air. Perfect for summer or any vacation you would like. Okay. Here's the cabinet. It's a long and sturdy cabinet. You can put your things and belongings, clothes, anything that your bag accommodates bring. It's a nice tour for the CR of the master's bedroom. Of course, there's a heater, a shower, which is slightly larger than the previous one. But still, there's a mirror where you can check your look and have a get ready with me while staying, and if you want to tour also around the Santolan and Pasig Station area. So that's it. That's the whole view of this Airbnb. Um, Again, we are immersive view. We offer a service for interior walkthroughs, and we really appreciate or prioritize that you experience it before you own it. And we always bring clarity through immersion. Okay, so I'm Sophia Francisco again, and a real estate agent, and hope to see you again. And thank you for watching our video. Bye!